Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your GOOQI Smart Vital watch how to link your GOOQI Smart Vital watch to your phone and other features within the watch. Okay, let's start. So I'll just open my camera so that you guys can see. So guys, this is my watch. So this is the GOOQI Smart Vital. I've been using it for a few days now. I charged it the day I put a review on it, and the battery is half, which is very nice. So if you go on the left menu, there's a thing called Vital. If you open Vital, in Vital you can check your heart rate. So it just measures your heart rate, your blood oxygen level and blood pressure. That you need to connect with the app to do that. So I guess if I remember, I'll do it then. So then if you go over here, there's exercise. So when we click exercise, there's a lot of things within exercise. So there's run, workout, cycle. Oh my god. So for example, walk. I've started walking even though I'm not walking. So on the top you can see the time, how long you have been walking for, your heart rate, how many kilometers, how many steps, your pace, your speed per meter, and your kgs. And if you go then, if you swipe left, there you can see the time, the date. You can pause your workout or end. See, it's vibrated as you heard. So it was short time, so no data was saved. So now if I go there, more relaxation, cricket, yoga, climb. Then after that is aerobics, basketball, badminton, soccer. Sometimes I actually just click it randomly. So yeah, stop. The rope jump is sit-ups, table tennis, dance, volleyball and tennis. So that's for exercise. There's one second. Turn on my flashlight. There we go. So as you can see, that's the home button. It's a little scratched up because I dropped it a few times. So now you guys can see in so if we click more, and this the first thing you see is settings. So in settings you can change your wallpaper. I've put it digital right now. You can go to the basic, classic or prime. Prime is the one that came with the watch. Digital, climb, prism, blue. My favorite is obviously digital because it looks better. You can set your screen time for 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 6 hours and stuff, so I don't care about that. And then after that is power off. Press OK to power off. To power on, please connect to the charger, and then if you click OK, the watch shuts off. I don't want to do that, so. And then after the stopwatch, you can start your stopwatch. So after that, there's music. Yeah, please connect Bluetooth to enable music control. You need to connect to your mic. Okay. Exit out, bro. I think I need to shut off the watch. It also has raise to wake. So what raise to wake does? So for example, if I have the watch on and if I put my arm down, just so if I put my arm up, it turns on automatically. See? If I put it up like that, it will turn on. If I put it down like that, it will shut off. This scenario if it's on my hand, so I want it the whole day so you can see the outline. So yeah, and then see on and off, and that can be toggled here in the upper menu. 24 hours the clock time, so as you can see 6:55 p.m. so 18:55. You can set your brightness. I put it to max right now. You can turn on do not do not disturb or turn it off. I've turned it off now. This is the orange hand is raised to wake. This is music, and that's Find My Phone. So, oh my god, yeah, there you go. So then if you swipe left, there you can see the notifications. I have no. If you swipe down, you can see your steps, how many kilometers you walked, your heart rate, and how many calories you have burnt. And now after that more, you can also set an alarm. So these are just the default alarm. You can change them 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and 10 o'clock. Then if you go down this Find Phone, you have to connect to the app for that one. As you can see, not connected to phone. Timer, you can start a timer. Oh my god. Why is it out of focus here? So now you can set a timer for how long you want. Don't worry guys, that's the vibration motor. Yes, it can vibrate. Then whether you need to connect to the app. So guys, that is all the features on this watch, on the GOOQI Smart Vital. So now guys, I will actually screen recording still. Yep, I am. So now you need to install the GOOQI app from the Play Store. So as you can see, my Play Store is right there. This is my Play Store. You need to install from the Play Store, and then I've got the GOOQI app. As you can see, I've already set up my account, and you need to set up an account. So there we go. And now yes, I've already set up a GOOQI account. So now, yeah, my name is Rantek Singh. Hello, how are you? Okay. So to go to your watch, on the top right, as you can see look at the top. Forming healthy habits can be difficult. And on the right corner of that, under my battery, there's a watch logo. You need to tap that. With the cross, you need to tap that. And then other apps and devices. So you can, whatever tracker or some services you have, you can link that. You can link whatever watch you have. I have the GOOQI Smart Vital, so I'm going to connect the GOOQI Smart Vital. So the first one, GOOQI Smart Vital, click that. It is an GOOQI Smart Vital, track your daily steps, sleep and more. GOOQI Smart Vital is an advanced fitness tracker which collects your data such as steps. Okay, just continue setup now. So I need to make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. As you can see, my Bluetooth is turned on. My phone is connected to the internet. As you can see, it is. Location services are enabled. Tracker is at least 60 years. It is. Tracker is on your wrist. Okay. I'll just put it on my wrist. I'll not put it on very tightly, but I'll just put it like things. Keep your phone and tracker close to each other. So it is. So as you can see, Bluetooth pairing request pair with GOOQI Smart Vital pair. Send the link request. Oh, so as you guys can see, oh shoot. Well, on my watch, I don't know how to show it. Oh my god, I need to do it again. Set up now, start search. That will say device found, blah blah blah. You know what, I'll actually go to details and I'll disconnect unpair. So now for you guys, start search. Tracker connecting, please wait. Why are you unable to connect? Huh? Tell me that. Okay guys, technical difficulties, I'll get back. Because right when I stopped recording, then it connected miraculously somehow, and now it's not going to connect because it started recording for some reason. Tracker connecting, please connect. Yeah, there we go. Pair, send a link request. So as you can see, okay, you guys can already see on my watch the thing. So I just tap to link. Set your daily step target. I'll do at about 6,000. Yes. Okay, this actually already showed you. Yes, done. And guys, as you can see on top, so now you can sync your tracker. Okay guys, so let's just go over all the features on the app. So tracker notifications, so on your phone notifications on this, you can see how many things. Actually I will turn that off for now. Continuous, yes. Inactivity alert, so I'll turn on the weather. Okay, and inactivity I'll tell it to get active. Raise to wake, I put my tracker on my left wrist. Calibrate blood pressure, yes. Display calibrate, so yes. Factory reset firmware update, check for update. My tracker is syncing, it's taking so long. I don't know what's wrong with GOOQI servers. Oh, there we go, it's synced, I guess. Sync. Okay, whatever. So personal details, yes. Okay, so guys, that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Okay, I will shut it off. Okay, bye guys.